Hello everyone, I am Kahun and today I am going to review the book The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. This book talks about following our dreams and the hardships that lie in our path to follow the dream. We all have had some dreams and aspirations in our childhood, but how many of us have the courage to follow it in our later life? The main character or the protagonist of this book is Santiago, a boy who actually took steps to follow his dream. Or Santiago represents the what if in all of us that took the courage to follow his dreams no matter what. Right when Santiago had the chance to settle down in his life and lead a happy, content, and normal life, he gave up everything he had to follow his dreams. In this book, two concepts are mentioned again and again. One is beginner's luck and another is women. Beginner's luck is a greater chance of succession when one just begins his journey towards his dream. This beginner's luck whets one's appetite for success, whereas omens are the signs of nature that can be followed instinctively, and it helps to interpret a situation and take the best step towards our dreams. Here, Santiago had a repetitive dream of finding out a hidden treasure which was near the Egyptian pyramids, and that was a totally different country than where he lived. Santiago had always been an adventurer and he had chosen to be a shepherd instead of being a priest to follow his wish to travel the world. And his thirst of voyage of knowing the world intensified when he wanted to get the treasure. But this book reminds us that we should not neglect whatever we have with us when we are going to follow our dreams. It says, the secret of happiness is to see all the happiness in the world and never to forget of the drops of oil on the spoon. Here are two main concepts in this book: language of the world and soul of the universe. Here it is said that all the lives are connected through the soul of the universe. The sun, the oceans, the wind, and every human are connected by the soul of universe. And the language of every human, every living and non-living thing can be interpreted by the soul of language, that is love. Through this book, Paulo Coelho wanted to tell us that if you are following your dreams and trying hard enough, no matter what, the whole universe will conspire to help you achieve your dreams. But he also emphasized on the power of making your own decisions and sticking to it no matter what, and be prepared for every circumstances that a decision can bring. Our journey to achieve our dreams begins with the beginner's luck, but it ends with immense hardships. The universe will constantly check and test our resolve before it let us achieve our dreams. But again, this book says, we make a lot of detours, but we are all heading towards the same destination. Our protagonist Santiago has failed too many times and had lost everything he had thrice in this book. But he never gave up. There were a few times when he wanted to stop this voice and return to the safe and happy life and normal life that he had before. But he went on, and at the end of this journey, he got this treasure. The ultimate treasure that he found was actually very close to his starting point. But this book shows us that even if the treasure is right beside us, in order to find it and in order to fully understand it, we have to go the long way. We have to travel the world, explore our life, and go beyond our ways to access this treasure. Santiago got his treasure in the form of jewelries and monies, but the actual treasure is not what he got at the destination, but what he achieved throughout the journey. What he learned, what he started to feel, and how his perspective towards the life changed as he went in this voyage. And Paulo Coelho says, even if we die while pursuing our dreams, we die fully content and never regret the death. It is because at least we know that we have been in the right direction. And we all know alchemy is about a technique that transforms any metal into gold. And this book says that gold is the representative of something that has evolved the most. And whenever we have evolved ourselves to the core, everything around us, everything we touch can become gold, can evolve. We also know from this book that the path of knowledge can be different from different people. And if we observe the nature carefully, we can have the same amount of knowledge that we can achieve by reading the books. Or books are the elaborated excerpts of the world's knowledge. But the alchemist says the only way to achieve knowledge is through action that we have to take ourselves. This book is full of some amazing quotes and thoughts. There's a line that it's the simple things in life that are the most extraordinary, and only wise men are able to understand them. And wise are the men who observe everything from afar and judges everything unbiasedly. According to the book, the world's greatest lie is that at some point of time in our life goes out of our control and the fate starts to control us. But Paulo Coelho has shown us that we can do everything and gain back the control of our life from every point if we are determined enough and can find the right woman and follow the right path. And whenever we are trying something with everything we have got, the help comes from the universe in one form or another. Though this is a fictional book, it contains the deepest of philosophies, and it is one of the most motivational books ever. And no matter how many times you have gone through it, whenever you get back to reading it, at any point of your life, I am sure you will find something exciting in this book that can help you to progress in your life. Have you read this book already? How was your experience? Please share with me in the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.